Ben Beecher, orthopedic surgeon, Iowa Orthopedics, hip and knee replacement surgeon. What excites me most about working here at River Hills is the focus on orthopedics. We have 10 ORs. This is an orthopedic-only surgical facility. It really excites me that we can bring specific orthopedic care to the community and treat them in an outpatient setting. Several things is we have a significant number of ORs here where we can accommodate doing most of our patients in this facility. There's also a 23-hour stay, so a lot of patients that need further recovery from nursing and things like that, as well as physical therapy, can spend the night here and get that care that they would otherwise get in the hospital. I'm very excited that we have on-facility physical therapy, and the patients can get up the same day with the physical therapist and work on their recovery right away after surgery. Being involved in a team that's transforming lives with new innovations is very important. Medicine's always changing, orthopedics is always changing, and we have a top-notch facility. This is the newest surgical center in the state with multiple different features, including 10 operating rooms as well as an extended recovery